My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. When to file is always a very interesting topic as people try to jockey for position and get the greatest advantage associated with the filing of their complaint for divorce. Sometimes there are considerations of should I file first, should I file second, is now a good time to file, should I wait till after taxes, should I wait till then? There's all sorts of consideration, and nowadays we find that many people are asking us, should I wait to file till after the holidays? Should I wait till after Christmas? Should I wait till after New Year's? And, you know, it's a very interesting question because they're worried. They're worried that if they file right around Christmas, it'll ruin the holiday for the children. And then from that point forward, the children will, rather than associate the holidays with good family times, they're going to associate the holidays with a divorce. I guess that's a possibility. But put it this way, you know, your divorce could take many, many months. And ultimately, if it takes 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, you may find that you've avoided filing on, let's say, New Year's Day. You didn't want it around the week between Christmas and New Year's because you didn't want to ruin that time. But you didn't realize that your divorce becomes finalized the following year during that same week. In other words, you can control the filing and you can say, I'll hold off on that, but it doesn't mean that the court won't set this up on another day. Imagine the court sets up your final date for divorce and it happens to be your son's birthday. And that could happen. I mean, so on the one hand, waiting to file because you're worried about the impact of the children, you know, and you want to file afterward, I get that, and that's something that you can control. You can tell your lawyer, wait till January 2nd or something like that, or wait till the first day that they go back to school, so that's a miserable day anyway. You could tell your lawyer that, but bear in mind that there's a lot of dates within every life cycle of every litigation that are simply not controlled by the parties. And the finalization of this divorce, or the custody hearing, or the day that the court decides to bring everybody in so it can make its final ruling, may be on one of those other days that you're trying to avoid. So here's what I'm saying. There's a certain randomness to it. You want to avoid the one day that you can control the filing date, fine. But be aware of one thing. Just because you manage to file on a benign date doesn't mean other significant dates won't come up that conflict with these milestones. So I think like this. I think you should explain to your kids that on their birthday, for example, there's a lot of things that are going on in the world that are very good, but there's a lot of things that are very bad too. And while it may be the case that a complaint may be filed or a court may make a ruling, everybody lives to survive another day. And it's a random thing, and it shouldn't besmirch in any way the fact that it's their birthday. It shouldn't in any way be a drag on what is otherwise a happy occasion. You'll have to put it to them that way. Do you want to avoid the filing date on the holidays? I suppose you can. But the bottom line is, bear in mind, it doesn't mean there won't be another significant date on yet an even more crucial date in your child's development. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.